Okay, here we are with an early plank, Ernst plank or plunk, I'm not sure how you pronounce it. This is a Meteor engine. This is the first time I've steamed this up. And I don't have the original burner. Woo! Oh, there we go. Something just fell off. See if we can fix that. Kind of hard to do while you're holding the camera. Let's try that again. There we go, and looks like we're on fire here, so woohoo! And that's the kind of thing that can happen when you're playing around in your kitchen. Okay, well, I think we had a little too much flame from that was a Mammoth spirit burner. This time I'm using a little Sterno fuel, and seem to be having better results. Took me a little bit of time to find all those pieces that flew out of there earlier, and you can also see I kind of burned the handle off the whistle when it caught fire, so there are some dangers to firing up 100-year-old steam engines, and probably shouldn't do it in your kitchen. This wouldn't be the first steam engine that I had to throw out my back door as it caught on fire, so probably shouldn't let the kids do this alone. Anyways, I bought this little steam engine a while back, and I had never run it under steam, so there we have it. Be sure and watch my other videos. Thanks for watching.